GE's high-efficiency models are really loaded with advantages. Let's take a look inside to see how they save energy and water while delivering impressive cleaning power. With GE top-load high-efficiency washers, the traditional post-style agitator is replaced with an infuser wash plate at the bottom of the basket. It requires very little water, which may be surprising at first, but very normal. In fact, our HE model uses 60% less water than the agitator model. Once the basket fills, the infuser wash system rotates back and forth to move clothes through the water. The wash plate design assists in turning clothes over, while a recirculating pump helps evenly distribute the water and detergent. Once the agitation portion of the cycle ends, the dirty water is drained. After a quick rinse and spin, your load is clean and ready to go into the dryer. With GE high-efficiency top-load washers, modern engineering delivers an impressive level of clean, all while using far less energy and water.
Kenmore understands the need to handle mountains of clothes, so that's why we designed the newest Kenmore Elite washer to take on the mother load. With 6.2 cubic feet of capacity, there's no larger capacity washer. It can tackle up to 32 bath towels in a single load. And that's just the beginning. Exciting innovations like the exclusive quad-action impeller with 4 wash motions fights tough laundry messes. The new Flex Fin action forces clothes up and over for optimal cleaning performance. 9 spray jets penetrate dirt from every angle, while the wash basket powerfully moves clothes back and forth. And Soak technology reaches soils fast by drawing the detergent mix up from the bottom of the basket, while thoroughly saturating the clothes on top, delivering a deep clean. In fact, no one cleans better in its class, giving you more of what you value most: time. The innovative FlexWash technology activates a powerful wash sequence to get your laundry clean fast. The accelerated rinse cycle sprays water through your clothes during high-speed spins for fast and effective rinsing. Your toughest laundry messes are no match for Steam Treat, which lifts hard-to-clean stains using the power of steam, virtually eliminating the need to pre-treat. And the convenient new Deep Fill option lets you control how much water to use on select cycles. With the new Kenmore Elite top-load washer, big loads are no big deal. With innovations like these, it's no wonder Kenmore has been trusted for over 100 years.
Meet the AEG 6000 series washing machines that reduce wear and tear by protecting against overwashing load after load. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. Many eco programs save energy. The Eco Time Save option also saves time. Simply select both options for an energy-efficient wash that is as quick as possible. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Keeping clothes looking their best, every wear, every wash. The AEG 6000 series washing machines.
Is it enough to just clean the surface of your clothes? Invisible fungus and bacteria are hiding in your clothes. A healthy and clean solution from Panasonic. Blue AG plus bacteria elimination technology. OH radicals and silver ions Ag plus attack fungus and bacteria effectively. Double disinfection for more reassurance. Panasonic Blue Ag plus bacteria elimination technology.